Dear friends of massive opportunities, the president's family is taking over crypto mining. Keep watching to witness the massive investment opportunity that is just around the corner. In the rapidly evolving world of crypto mining, a new player has emerged with the ambition to become the largest and most efficient pure Bitcoin miner. Formed through a strategic partnership between Hut 8 Corp and American data centers and backed by Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr., the venture aims to leverage Hut 8's infrastructure and American data centers' operational expertise to dominate the industry. When looking at the mining market, this venture represents an investment opportunity due to the increasing of demand for Bitcoin and its aggressive expansion strategy. The global mining market is projected to grow from 2.45 billion in 2024 to 8.24 billion in 2034, an annual growth rate of 12.9%. When looking at the macroeconomic trend side, such as the institutional adoption of Bitcoin and the growing role of digital assets in global finance, this could serve as a catalyst for future growth. Notably, the Bitcoin halving last year significantly impacted the mining landscape, reducing block rewards and driving up mining difficulty by about 50.7% from 70.01 trillion to 108.52 trillion. This, coupled with increased energy prices and demand for advanced equipment, raised the average cost to produce one Bitcoin by 13% to approximately 55,950. These challenges emphasize the importance of cost-efficient operations and innovative solutions in the current mining climate. Given the escalating competition and the rising operational costs, the company is prioritizing energy efficiency and advanced cooling technology to reduce expenses and prolong equipment lifespan. By strategically selecting mining sites in regions with low electricity costs, like areas that are, for example, rich in hydropower or wind energy. Additionally, they're also exploring smart energy management technology to optimize power usage and reduce waste. Also, a key differentiator is the company's strategy to accumulate and hold Bitcoin rather than sell it immediately. By building a substantial reserve to Bitcoin, the company aims to protect against inflation and benefit from long-term price appreciation. Holding Bitcoin as a reserve offers financial flexibility, allowing the company to secure Bitcoin-backed loans and fund new projects without selling assets. This reserve-first approach positions the company to withstand downturns and capitalize on low-cost buying opportunities. In the event of market downturns, the reserve can serve as a collateral, enabling continued expansion without the need to liquidate any holdings. Even though the company has an interesting business plan, they do face significant competition from established industry leaders like Riot Platforms, Marathon Digital, and CleanSpark. Marathon Digital mined 717 bitcoins last year, with an energized hash rate of 40.2 extra hashes per second, reflecting a 14% month-over-month increase. Riot Platform maintained consistent with mining 495 bitcoin in November last year. And CleanSpark demonstrated significant growth by mining 655 Bitcoin in October last year, marking a 32% increase from the previous month and bringing its year-to-date to 5,744 Bitcoin. In comparison, Hut 8 produced 234 Bitcoin in Q3 last year, bolstering its year-to-date production to 675. But also internationally, the mining landscape remains competitive, with the United States leading with approximately 36% of the global Bitcoin hash rate. Russia follows with 16%, and in third place is actually China, which, despite a mining ban, is still contributing to about 14% through underground operations. But now back to American data centers. The company established a cashless merger where Hut 8 transferred its ASIC mining equipment to American data centers in exchange for an 80% stake, while American data centers remain 20%. This structure ensures operational continuity and leverages Hut 8's proven expertise in large-scale mining. An IPO is also planned for the near future and aims to attract significant institutional investment by capitalizing on the Trump family's influence and the company's operational capabilities. So in conclusion, is the enterprise a good investment? Well, the Trump-led mining venture has strong growth potential and is bolstered by strategic partnerships, energy-efficient practices, and a solid reserve strategy. And of course, not to forget the Trump effect that the company will benefit from once it goes public. I mean, we all know what happened with the Trump meme coin that exploded and is still holding a market cap of over 2 billion. And despite challenges like regulatory uncertainties and Bitcoin's price volatility, the company's strategic approach and influential backing positions it as a formidable contender in the crypto mining space. I have to say I would be personally interested in investing in this company, but of course, this is not financial advice. This video is just for educational purposes only. But now it's up to you. What do you think? Is American data centers a safe investment? Or do you think that the competition is just too strong? Let me know. As usual, you can check out my previous videos that I recently uploaded, also covering Donald Trump and his plans about Bitcoin and the future of crypto that can and have already changed the industry forever. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.